In the beginning, we had a vision.
Wir sehen es als unsere Aufgabe an, Patienten individuelle, komfortable und wirksame Therapien zu ermöglichen. Und das zu einem adäquaten Preis-Leistungs-Verhältnis.
Um diesen Auftrag zu erfüllen, haben wir unser Denken und Handeln an unseren Unternehmenswerten ausgerichtet. Qualität, Service, Innovation, Kontinuität und Umweltschutz.
Established in 1997, WILAmed can look back on a 20-year company history with continuous growth. Having started with a team of 15 people, today it has over 100 staff producing medical devices and accessories for invasive and non-invasive ventilation treatments. The WILAmed product offer reflects the insights gained over many years from hospitals and treatments and from care establishments the world over. Quality through passion. WILAmed products not only comply with legal standards for medical technology, but the company also measures its performance by its own self-imposed stringent quality specifications. Made in Germany success factor. Aided by the latest technology, an expert team of engineers in WILAmed's in-house R&D department works on optimally balanced solutions with a single objective: to provide the best possible treatment for patients. Our commitment to the environment, efficient, environmentally friendly production facilities and manufacturing processes, social responsibility, and long-term investments at its site in Germany guarantee a consistent quality at the highest level. At home the world over, with our roots in our own country. From the company's head office in Kommerstein, Bavaria, WILAmed's products are exported to over 60 countries around the world. Unlike its competitors, WILAmed is not relocating its production abroad, but is safeguarding and creating long-term jobs via its commitment to its home base in the Nuremberg metropolitan region. Being an owner-run company, the management pays particular attention to the well-being of its employees and to a good working atmosphere. Modern employer benefits, such as a company pension scheme, opportunities for CPD and further training, go without saying at WILAmed. Today, WILAmed ranks as one of the leading international manufacturers and distributors of invasive and non-invasive ventilation. Around the world, the company's products are making a key contribution to the respiratory treatment of adults, children, and newborn patients in hospitals and rehabilitation facilities. WILAmed, we make breathing easier.